Today I'm going to cook, well, I'm going to prepare this lettuce cup, and because it's quite good for the hot weather and it's just like a snacky thing. I show you the ingredient, which is I've got carrot here, peppers, you can use any peppers. There is some long bean here, but you can use frozen pea as well, and some tofu. This tofu is it's got some soy in it, but soy sauce, I mean. But you can use any type of tofu, just have the same amount as the rest of the ingredients, and some shallots. And then, you know, I use this lettuce, and you just have to cut it up, and I wash it first because you don't want to put your ingredient into a wet lettuce. So you just drain it in, put it upside down and put it onto a kitchen towel. And I got some chopped peanuts here for garnishing, and some coriander and some spring onion. I also make a sauce which got some ginger. I use quite a lot of ginger actually. It depends on if you like the ginger taste or not. And I got some ginger, got some soy sauce, got some sriracha, sesame oil, and some rice vinegar, some honey. And I will list the ingredients, the sauce ingredient later. But you just give it a stir. You can always adjust it, and you can always put a few drops of water to loosen up a bit. So
let's cook.
Well, I got some oil here to heat it up a little bit, and I'm first going to put the shallot in there. You can always use onions, it does not matter. Just soften the shallot first. So they're all really quick now, and then I put the carrots in there. They just take longer to cook, but you don't need to cook it for long because they chop it really small anyway.
Okay.
Put the carrots in there. I wish you can see it, Annalash. My dog is so intrigued. He's just sitting right next to me now.
Can you use any vegetable you want then?
I mean, really, you know, whatever that in the fridge. The other day I did it with some old celery anyway, so you can just put anything in there, and I can just put the rest of it in there. The tofu is already cooked, so I'm not going to put in there to cook it for too long. I don't want to cook the vegetable until they're really yellow, and I still want to have a crunch, because you really have to cook this, and you have to let it cool down a bit. You don't want to put it in the lettuce cup and then get the lettuce all wilted. So you really have to cool it down first. But I really want you to make the peanut sauce, because that was really nice, the sauce. So you just get it softened. It wouldn't take long to soften all the vegetables because they're so small.
So it's got to have a crunch, has it, Cynthia?
I think so. I think so. Going to add tofu in now?
Tofu, okay.
Yes, you just really need to heat it up. I just use like just one lettuce, you know, like obviously you can, but this is always, you have a mistake. You think that you're cooking a lot, but when you're feeding the lettuce, and it's just not enough, so it's not really cooking a lot. And I put a little bit of salt for seasoning, a little bit of salt there. Everything is pretty done now. So I think they are quite soft now, so I will just leave it to cool down now. So I'm going to show you how to assemble these lettuce cups, which is really easy. So this is, make sure that they're dry now, and this is absolutely cool because you don't want to get the hot things onto the lettuce cup and make it all wilted and yellow. So we just spoon it in there. So here it is, I got this here, and then you just do the garnish. Actually, I forgot that I do normally sometimes put some chili in there as well, so you can really basically...
Do you mean chili flakes?
Put anything
do you
there
mean chili
you like.
flakes? Or...
Yeah, chili flake, yeah. And then I might put some more peanuts on top of this peanut sauce, and you dip in there to have that.
Please subscribe
and like below.